Did you remember that time when you were in high school or when you were in the university? There is always one student that after a difficult exam, he will join you in complaining that this exam is difficult. I almost died. The questions were tough. But when the result comes out, that student is everything. That student look like a betrayer. You know the student I'm talking about. A name comes to your mind. You can just pause the video and comment. Write that name in the comment section. Or tag the person. Don't be afraid. And the truth is, when that student was complaining with you, his complaints or her complaints were legitimate. Because, to be frank, the questions were difficult. The only difference is that that student was doing something you did not know about, or the student was doing something in a different way. So, folks, with the current situation of things in Nigeria, it is easy to see that everyone is complaining. Yes, things are really hard for everyone, whether the rich and the poor. But you see some persons are complaining and they are able to survive. They are able to purchase some basic things because they may be doing something you are not doing. The secret is they are selling something. They are selling something in demand. So to survive the current economic difficulty, you must be selling something that is needed somewhere. And if you are able to sell something that is needed in the global market space, if you are able to sell something that will attract dollars to your account, in this time, where the Bella is running away from the Naira as if the Naira has leprosy, you will be able to survive and go through this difficult time that will not last comfortably. So the things you can sell could either be your skill or services. And this is what I want to speak on. In our last video, I spoke on how to easily acquire skills as a freelancer. And you asked me to speak on some of the in-demand skills right now that you can consider and go into so as to get jobs in different parts of the world and attract foreign currencies. You asked, and I am here to share with you these in-demand skills. So suffice it to say that there are a lot of skills that you can use to get remote job anywhere you are right now, and we earn good money. If for some of these skills, you may be earning over $10,000 monthly. Some of these skills include blockchain and cryptocurrency programming, software development, cybersecurity and ethical hacking, data analysis, machine learning and artificial intelligence, virtual reality skills, and many more. These skills can earn you good money. But these skills will demand a lot of time from you. It takes a lot of time to gain mastery to the point where you would be employed to earn the money I spoke about earlier. However, there are 3 skills I'd like to share with you that you can learn easily and can make you good money as well as those other skills. The first one is virtual administrative or executive assistance / customer support. What it requires from you is 3 to 6 months training in specific areas like email management, calendar management, travel planning and schedules, how to use CRM, customer relationship management software to attend to customers, how to use email management system to track emails and respond to prospects, customers, France, as the case may be. If you are able to learn this within 3 to 6 months, you'll be able to work as a virtual assistant or a customer support remotely, and it will not take you so much time. When you're able to learn this within 3 to 6 months, you'll be able to work as a virtual assistant or a customer support staff from anywhere and earn good money for yourself. The second one is content writing. Why is content writing important? Businesses need to communicate to their leads, to their prospects, to their customers regularly. They need to sell something, and they need to do this by writing quality articles, blog posts, whatever it is to communicate to them, to understand what it takes to write quality content that would convert customers. You don't have to spend more than 3 to 6 months if you are really serious about it. Within this time, you can learn about search engine optimization. You can learn how to develop a content calendar. You can learn about content management. You can learn how to use artificial intelligence in content writing. Yes, you use artificial intelligence to speed up the rate with which you write, enhance your articles. Within 3 to 6 months, you can and start working remotely to earn good money. The third fourth skill I want to speak on is video editing. Our world is visual. Every day, people are shooting video for different purposes, either for education, entertainment, just name it. People are creating video content. And what is needed to be able to turn these video clips to amazing content for viewer is a good video editor who knows the right place to cut, the right place to put the right background sound, to put the right transition. See, it actually takes a lifetime to be a professional video editor. However, within 3 to 6 months, if you are dedicated, you can learn the basics to be able to offer value to companies and individuals as a video editor. And when you start working, earning money, you keep improving your skills daily and it can earn you a lot of money. You can earn between $15 to $25 per video if you are good at what you are doing. Beyond the story skills, I like to add this. There are some professionals who are trapped in what they are doing. They don't know how to translate what they have learned and master to the global market space and attract foreign currency. In our next video, I am going to share with you some of the skills that you need as a professional. Whether you studied accounting, business management, whatever it is, I'm going to show you how to translate what you already know to something valuable for you to earn in foreign currency. So if like other professions, you are having challenges in translating to something valuable to earn money in foreign currency, tell me in the comment section. I'm going to do a video to share with you how you can translate what you already know to something valuable in the global market space and earn foreign currency. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'll see you in my next video.